location, new box truck, and new wrap. Today, the guys are going to be revealing our new Kelly Rentals Austin box truck with a special wrap.
All right, community right here. We're about to go pick up our first wrap vehicle of some kind, right?
Yeah, delivery, I guess, did a partial, like on the door, but I got a lot of backlash from Xavier. So this one that we see is 100% designed by Xavier. So
no, let me see this right. No. The design wasn't bad on this one. It was, what was the actual thing that was wrong with this one?
Oh, you said, oh, there's no phone number on here. How are they gonna contact us? I was like, look, I'm just trying to have like presence. Like when we're on site and this truck's there, you like know, hey, it's Kelly Reynolds. Or we're on the road and you're like, hey, I see that Kelly Reynolds truck all the damn time. I was more so what I was doing, but I understand Xavier.
It looks good though.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's good.
I know you want a phone number to associate.
We got both sides, right?
The effectiveness, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do on this truck. You have a QR code and then a phone number that we can associate, like how effective this actual wrap is doing, like the advertisement. Are they getting the phone number off this wrap? We can track it in the software that we have, and yeah, so excited. I'm ready to see the design that Xavier came out with, him and his team, and yeah, he'll be the judge.
Yeah, we'll see how this thing goes. Eddie got on both sides. I don't know if you can see on the vehicle. Got it on this side, right here, and what you call it. And it's actually a similar color to like the appropriate color. Was this the same person?
No, it's a different person.
Oh, so like even like of the sign up there, you can see in there. But we're about to go check it out, see how it goes. And I know y'all probably asking. I mean, by this time you should have saw the other videos, but we back at it. We're gonna be filming more. Well, that's a different story. We'll talk about it different.
Stay tuned to see how they got it made, how it turned out, and to follow along the day in the life of the rental boys. Now, the guys had went to Elite Customs for the job, and it was found through Eddie, who was looking through Facebook Marketplace for a couple of quotes. Now, they weren't the cheapest, but they do have great experience.
What you think, Eddie?
I like it. Eye catches the eye of the orange. Everything is good.
Looks good. And then on the back too. And the QR code worked. You know one thing they didn't put on there yet? It's in here. The Texas sign.
Oh yeah, Texas.
It's literally right in there though.
They see it?
Yeah. This is bubbling. You see it?
No.
It's right. Come right here.
Oh, it's right there.
But I don't know. Did we only put that on the back or that's only in the front? It's not on the back either yet. And this right here is dinging. And this one's chipped on this side. This already needs to be smoothed out. I don't know. That guy did your thing so good. I ain't seen none of that stuff. Was able to shift this over somewhere. Here. Like this, like not be on the line. And like the little tears on this one. Like all on the sides. They did the same thing on the 5 on this side too. I just moved to the side. This is our vehicle issue right here. That is. That's it. It's good. I ain't gonna lie, I got some thoughts on this thing right now, but for the most part, it looks good. I'm debating if we're gonna use this person again or not, but we'll see. This is the back of it and everything. The good thing we got to change our colors and stuff on there. This works right here. I wish I didn't do this. You covered this on the asset, but that's on me. It's not them. This 8 got a little thing on it, but should get me damn on there. Eddie, what's your pure thoughts? Your raw thoughts?
I love it. I like it. That's my pure. Like overall, I'm happy. I like it. Looks good. Clean. Layout looks good. I think there's a couple things that we went over that we didn't like so much.
Yeah, but the overall view from the road, I just saw it from like way on the side. You can see the number of the name. You can see everything pretty well on there. So it looks pretty good. I even like the white base because it makes the orange pop really well, and the blues coordinate together.
It all came out really nice. Now I'm kind of a little jealous that it has to go away. I'm not really gonna see it. I see Dallas all the time, and they don't have nothing like the Austin does. That looks good. I like it. The QR, the code thing works. Like you said, you can see the phone number from far away. And yeah.
Shit, you got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Call the number. Let's see if the number is correct. This is live, baby.
Let's see if it works.
And see who answers.
And see who answers. 512-856-9558. You gonna track the data?
Yeah. Well, it'll be automatic in the system.
This call is being recorded for quality assurance. Press 1 for sales. Press 2 for support. Connecting you to sales now.
My party's about to start yet. I haven't brought my shit.
That's his answer.
I'll mess with him. I'm gonna say, do you rent stripper poles? We're having a big
Hello, thank you for calling Rentals. This is Christine. How can I help you?
Hey Christine, how's it going?
Oh, everything's good. Thank you. What can I help you with?
Well, I'll just calling to check and making sure somebody's answering the phone. So you passed. Thank you for answering the phone.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Have a good day.
All right, have a great day.
Bye.
For a second, you was like,
I was gonna say something, but I was like,
man,
she's so nice in her voice. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with her. She's probably having a good day. But yeah, it works. Everything's good. Even we already tested the QR code. What's it called?
Yeah, the QR code.
QR.
Yeah, something like that.
So that works. So I'm happy.
Like the follow the party thing, it looks really nice with the Texas logo.
Texas thing, yeah.
And we got another one of those, about to put that on Eddie's truck.
Put that in Austin.
Yeah. Yeah, but it looks good though. So Eddie, so let's start this whole thing. Let's walk in here. Okay. So all the way through, all the details. Like how long did it take? How much money did we spend on it?
So the wrap took, was it 4 days? Or 4 days to get done, 3 or 4 days?
If you count Thursday, the day we dropped it off.
Yeah, so 3 or 4 days it took to get it done.
And that's counting the weekends too.
Well, yeah, in the weekends. It was actually finished yesterday, but I didn't want to come pick it up at night because it was 7 p.m. You know, that way we can see it with the sun and everything like that. And then the total cost for it was $1,700, and that was the taxes and everything. So originally we were thinking about doing a full wrap, but me and Xavier kind of discussed it, and we decided that the best bet would do this like well, I don't even know what this is called, like partial or layout or print wrap or whatever. Anyways, it's like I think it was like 4,000 or something like that. We're gonna pay for a full wrap.
Or 35.
Or I'm sorry, 3,500.
Yeah.
For a full wrap. So we decided to go with this route. I'm happy because now we have enough money to do the box truck and some. But I think overall, besides the little details, I'm happy with the overall results. Yeah.
Yeah.
Eddie and Xavier are going to walk through the pros and cons of doing a car wrap this way and what they think of theirs.
All right, some of the pros and cons of this whole little adventure here with getting the van wrap. The pros that right off the bat that I really like is that everything popped, it stand out. It really made a difference from just being a blank all white van to having the company's name, what we do, the phone number, you know, the QR code. Xavier was kind of an example. I was talking to him while we were in separate vehicles, and he took a different route, which as one thing we were saying, we're like, hey, where'd you go? I was following you. He's like, it told me to turn right. But anyways, it took him like on the service road, which I was on the highway, and he was coming on the service road. I was like, hey, I see the van. And that was like immediately like, you know, justification for the whole thing. Like if he was able to see it so far away, then somebody right next to us or even in back of us is really gonna be able to see the phone number, basically what we do and everything like that. So it really put a big smile on my face. Some of the cons I would say is maybe we take a little bit more time, not really rush into things, because one thing that me and Xavier kind of mentioned is like, once you get a person that does a wrap for you, you kind of are married to that person, or at least to the you know, the warranty on the specific vehicle. But you know, if we bring another vehicle, the other vehicle we're bringing from Austin, we go with a different person that wraps it. It might have a different layout, different font, different feel. So basically, make sure that you get the right person, because you know, even though everything aesthetically looks great, you know, from far away, there's little details that me and Xavier were like, you know, I wish it was like this, because I had my truck, the front doors done, and it was like perfect. And maybe it's because it's a smaller surface, but you know, on this thing, you know, we saw a couple little bubbles, a number wasn't cut, and then we saw where an R, I guess when they were taking it off, when they cut it, they actually ripped it, and you know, they put it back. And they said they're going to warranty everything if anything happens. But it's just the fact that, you know, I guess when we're walking into the thing and we're like, and we see, you know, we don't pay $1,700 for this. We just wanted a little bit more detailed finish. And so besides that, I think overall we're happy with everything. Well, at least I am. Xavier's behind the camera, so he's asking.
Yeah, I mean, it's good. This is good. This works out for what we're trying to do. Everything like that. We're gonna bring the next box truck up. We'll work with them on the details and everything like that. The guy did work the one crease out for us, and maybe he'll just understand how we want to handle things a little bit differently going forward. Everything, but the main thing worked. The number, right number. That would have been bad. The QR code works and everything like that. You can see the stuff from far away. The back portion of the thing, we designed work on. They were able to work without design and pretty much get it kind of exactly how we wanted it to be on there. So I don't know. This is pretty much this is good for us to go. And I think if we do make another decision on who we choose, maybe on the Dallas side that he was saying. But to be honest, if they can clean up some of these small details, which I think they probably can, and probably got to be told on that stuff, or just they just work with us more,
yeah,
then it'll probably work out. But from far away, and like no one's gonna be like up on it, like, you know,
expecting
everything.
Letter.
Yeah, wait, man, no one should be. I should say. But other than that, it's gonna be fine because it's really good from far away. Everything like that.
Now, when you're thinking of wrapping your business vehicle, there's a lot to weigh out. First, it's basically a moving billboard, and that's free advertising every time whenever you drive. Now, when I say free, what I mean is it worth the money? Well, a wrap could cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, but you do have to keep in mind that this can last you anywhere from 4 to even 5 years, and sometimes even a little bit longer. Now, when you compare that to digital ads that disappear as soon as you stop paying, this is technically free advertising just every time when you're on the road. Now, second, it makes your brand look more professional and trustworthy. And that helps with brand recognition. When people start seeing the same logo, colors, and name around town, they're going to start remembering you. And that's how you turn local visibility into real bookings. Now, third, it does protect your paint, and it could always be removed later in case you wanted to sell the vehicle or if you wanted to rebrand. And fourth, it just makes your setup look a lot more legit whenever you're setting up for events or making deliveries. However, there are quite a couple of cons as well. Now, the first con is that the initial price can be a bit pricey, especially if you have bigger vehicles like box trucks. Now, second, if it's not installed correctly, there can be a couple of air bubbles, which causes peeling and shortens the lifespan of the wrap, which you saw the guys had to go through. Especially if you're working with multiple vehicles, sometimes depending on the company that you work with, there could be some inconsistencies within each vehicle. So that's just something that you have to look out for, and that's why it's important to find a business that is actually reliable and could give you some type of warranty for that wrap. Now third, you do want to factor in maintenance, and this will basically help you elongate the lifespan of your wrap. You want to keep it clean and avoid having any scratches on there, which means you will have to hand wash your vehicle. You want to make sure that you're using no harsh brushes or any pressure washers. This little bit of care can make it look sharp for years to come. Now, if a wrap is not within your budget yet, you can start small, like a little car door decal or even just a sticker on one of your windows. Having your logo there will make a big difference, and you could always expand or upgrade later on. Now you're going to want to start thinking about commercial wrap insurance. The last thing you want is to end up in a car accident, have your wrap completely messed up, and then figure out that your insurance doesn't actually cover a car wrap. Now some of you might be thinking, does insurance actually cover this? Yes, it does. This is why you need to have commercial vehicle insurance. This is very different from having personal insurance on your business vehicles. Now specifically, you want your policy to have coverage for aftermarket additions. This includes wraps, decals, or any other additionals that you might add onto your vehicle. Some insurances may even require you to list the value of your wrap separately, so just make sure you have a copy of your invoice somewhere. And you're going to want to make sure that your vehicle is actually being listed for what it is intended to do. Whether that's deliveries, site visits, or even mobile service, you just want to make sure that it's correctly listed within your insurance. Now lastly, you just want to make sure that your comprehensive coverage also covers vandalism. Sometimes having a business wrap could really draw attention to your vehicles, and you never know what could happen. So, in case someone ruins your wrap by vandalizing it, having your insurance cover that will definitely save you headaches in the future. Now lastly, here's some documents that you should keep once you get your car wrapped. First is your wrap installer's invoice. Second is photos of the wrap once it's completed. And third, make sure you keep any care or maintenance instructions for the wrap. Remember that insurance might ask for proof of value if there's ever a claim on that vehicle. Make sure you keep these documents safe and maybe even take a picture of it just in case you ever need the documents on the road. You never know what could happen, so you always want to be prepared. Now, if you're trying to start an event rental business or you already have one, please click the link in the description below for a free copy of our ultimate checklist today. It includes everything from how to start, grow, and expand your event rental business, so please check it out. It's completely free. Without further ado, if you like this video and would like to see a video on how you could possibly promote your business, please click this link up here. Otherwise, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so we could bring you more videos like this. Bye-bye.